All right, we're going to start the morning working on a few wheels on an Audi A6. I believe these are aftermarket wheels. This one just has this area right here. You can see it's pretty deep. I'm going to go step by step on this video. I'm going to start with the conditioning disc and see if that'll take out the damage, but I might have to go down to the 50 grit or 36 grit disc to get this damage out. Let's try with the conditioning disc first. There's also some paint is chipped to the inside of this lip. I'm going to try to get that out with the grinder without touching the wheel face here. See if I can do that. You hit the face, it's okay. It's going to create more work. Wherever you hit with the grinder, you're going to have to sand out, and it's just a tight spot to get into. I did nick it a little bit right there, so we'll have to sand that out. All right, so the next step is going to be sanding with 150 grit. Since I had to go pretty deep with the grinder, there's going to be a lot of grinder marks and scratching to get out of there. And also quite a bit of reforming because it's pretty deep through here. And we're going to go back beyond this a little bit so we don't leave a hard edge on each side. Still a little bit flat right through here. pretty good. And we just have to touch up this area in here where I hit it with the grinder and where I slipped with the sander. When you're working on these thin lips like this, it's going to want to tear up your sandpaper. So this one's trash now. We're going to switch to 320 grit, get out the 150 grit sanding marks, and then be ready for paint. All right. Final step before paint. Well, we have to clean it still too, but I'm going to scuff it first. That's going to help your paint adhere to the repaired area. You just want to scuff just beyond everywhere you just repaired. And get any areas where your sander is scuff the paint just a little bit. Sometimes there's no way to avoid that. Fresh tire shine on the tire, so all the dust wants to stick to it. Wipe it off as best you can. Use a little bit of Adam's surface prep to help clean it off. And now it's ready for paint. And finally, just cover everywhere you just painted with clear coat. Looks like I have a little edge there that I did get the paint to where the shield was, so I'll have to come back and touch that up also.